Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. For years, NVIDIA has been the undisputed king of artificial intelligence. From ChatGPT and Google Gemini to self-driving cars and advanced robotics, chances are the AI powering today's biggest innovations is running on NVIDIA hardware. The company's powerful GPUs have become the backbone of the AI revolution, helping it grow into one of the world's most valuable companies. But in 2026, something big is happening. For the first time in years, NVIDIA's dominance is facing serious challenges, and the competition is stronger than ever. So what's changing? The biggest reason is that nearly every major tech company has realized it doesn't want to depend on a single supplier for AI chips. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and OpenAI are investing billions of dollars into developing their own custom AI processors. Instead of relying entirely on NVIDIA's expensive GPUs, these companies want chips specifically designed for their own AI workloads, giving them better performance, lower costs, and greater control over their future. AMD is also becoming one of NVIDIA's biggest rivals. Over the past few years, AMD has made massive improvements to its AI hardware, offering powerful alternatives that appeal to cloud providers and enterprise customers looking for more competition in the market. While NVIDIA still leads in software, developer tools, and ecosystem support, AMD is closing the performance gap faster than many experts expected. Another major factor is cost. AI has become incredibly expensive. Training today's most advanced AI models requires thousands, even hundreds of thousands of GPUs running continuously in massive data centers. As demand continues to skyrocket, companies are looking for every possible way to reduce infrastructure costs. Building custom chips or using alternative hardware could save billions of dollars over the next decade. Supply chain concerns are also playing a huge role. During the recent AI boom, NVIDIA's GPUs became so popular that companies often had to wait months to receive new hardware. That created a major business risk. If one company controls most of the AI chip market, everyone becomes vulnerable to shortages, price increases, and production delays. Diversifying suppliers has now become a strategic priority across the tech industry. Despite these challenges, NVIDIA still holds several powerful advantages. Its CUDA software platform remains the industry standard for AI development, making it easier for developers to build, train, and deploy AI models. Thousands of AI applications have already been optimized for NVIDIA hardware, creating a massive ecosystem that's difficult for competitors to replicate overnight. This software advantage is one of the biggest reasons many organizations continue choosing NVIDIA even when alternative hardware becomes available. NVIDIA is also investing aggressively to stay ahead. The company continues introducing faster GPUs, advanced networking technology, and complete AI infrastructure solutions designed for next-generation data centers. Rather than simply selling chips, NVIDIA is building an entire AI ecosystem that includes software, networking, cloud services, and enterprise solutions. So, does this mean NVIDIA is losing? Not necessarily. Instead of signaling the end of NVIDIA, the growing competition may actually mark the beginning of a more competitive AI industry. As more companies enter the market, innovation could accelerate, prices may become more competitive, and businesses will have more choices than ever before. Healthy competition often leads to better technology, faster breakthroughs, and greater accessibility for developers and consumers alike. The AI race is no longer about one company leading the industry. It's about an entire ecosystem evolving at an incredible pace. NVIDIA remains a dominant force, but the days of having little competition are coming to an end. The next few years could determine which companies will power the future of artificial intelligence, and the outcome will shape everything from cloud computing and healthcare to autonomous vehicles and scientific research. One thing is certain, the AI chip war has officially begun, and the technology industry is entering one of the most exciting and competitive chapters in its history. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.